Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Flouride mouthwash is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in maintaining optimal oral hygiene, offering a powerful defense against cavities and strengthening tooth enamel beyond what brushing alone can achieve, making it a crucial addition to your daily routine for a healthier, brighter smile that lasts. Number 5. Listerine Total Care Intense Mint Mouthwash. Experience the power of 6 essential oral care benefits in one convenient rinse. It's designed to elevate your daily routine. Say goodbye to bad breath. This powerful formula effectively eliminates 99% of the germs that cause it, leaving your mouth feeling fresh. Protect your smile from decay. It works to strengthen your teeth and prevent cavities, promoting long-term oral health. Achieve a truly comprehensive clean. It reaches every corner of your mouth for a refreshing and thorough feeling. Rest assured with its quality. This product has earned the acceptance of the American Dental Association for its effectiveness. Enjoy an invigorating burst of flavor. The intense mint taste leaves your mouth feeling exceptionally clean and revitalized. What we like. This one offers a comprehensive oral care experience with 6 distinct benefits. It effectively combats 99% of bad breath germs and strengthens enamel. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for a truly clean feeling and strong teeth, this is a great choice. What people say. The mouthwash has a pleasant taste and leaves your mouth feeling fresh. It effectively reduces bad breath and provides a long-lasting clean feeling. The fluoride content helps strengthen teeth and prevent cavities. Number 4. TheraBreath Healthy Gums Oral Rinse. Discover a new level of oral care with TheraBreath Healthy Gums Oral Rinse. It's specially formulated to target gingivitis and promote healthier gums. This powerful rinse is designed by dentists to actively help prevent gingivitis. Experience the difference as it supports your overall gum health. Enjoy the invigorating clean mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling fresh and revitalized. It's a pleasant way to care for your smile. Our gentle, alcohol-free formula ensures a comfortable experience without the harshness. It's suitable for daily use for everyone. Get more value with this convenient pack of 2 16 fluid ounces bottles. You'll have plenty to maintain your healthy oral care routine. Choose TheraBreath Healthy Gums Oral Rinse for a dentist-formulated solution. Achieve a healthier, happier smile with consistent use. What we like. This rinse is specifically designed to target gingivitis and promote healthier gums. Its alcohol-free formula makes it gentle for daily use. If you struggle with gum issues or are looking for a dentist-recommended way to maintain gum health, this is the one for you. What people say. The mouthwash has a refreshing mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. It effectively strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent cavities, providing long-lasting protection. The formula is alcohol-free, making it gentle on the gums and suitable for daily use without causing dryness or irritation. Number 3. Listerine Total Care Alcohol-Free Mild Mint Mouthwash Twin Pack. Introducing Listerine Total Care Alcohol-Free. Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on your mouth. This rinse offers 6 essential oral health benefits in a single use. It helps kill 99.9% of bad breath germs. Protect your teeth with every rinse. It works to strengthen your enamel for a healthier smile. Enjoy a refreshing and mild mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. Get double the value with this convenient twin pack. It ensures you always have this essential oral care on hand. Our alcohol-free formula provides a thorough clean without the burn. It's perfect for those seeking a milder option. What we like. Experience a gentle yet effective clean with this alcohol-free option. It works to kill 99.9% of bad breath germs while also fortifying your tooth enamel. If you prefer a milder taste and want to protect your teeth from decay, this is an excellent daily companion. What people say. This mouthwash has a great flavor and leaves your mouth feeling clean. It's effective at preventing cavities and strengthening enamel. The minty fresh scent lasts for a long time. Number 2. ACT Restoring Zero Alcohol Fluoride Mouthwash. Introducing ACT Restoring Zero Alcohol Fluoride Mouthwash. It's designed to strengthen your tooth enamel. This powerful formula helps fortify your enamel, making your teeth more resilient against daily wear and tear. Enjoy a refreshing clean without the burn. Our zero alcohol formula is gentle yet effective. Experience the invigorating mint burst flavor that leaves your mouth feeling fresh and clean after every use. Incorporate this mouthwash into your daily routine for comprehensive oral care. It's the perfect addition to brushing and flossing. Get long-lasting freshness with this generous 33.8 fluid ounces bottle. It's an excellent value for your dental hygiene needs. What we like. This mouthwash is all about strengthening your tooth enamel without any alcohol. The refreshing mint burst flavor leaves your mouth feeling invigorated. If you're focused on cavity prevention and building stronger teeth, especially if you're sensitive to alcohol, this is a solid pick. What people say. The mouthwash has a refreshing mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh. It effectively strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent cavities, providing good oral protection. The formula is gentle on the gums and does not cause any irritation or burning sensation. Number 1. CariFree Maintenance Rinse Mint. Discover the CariFree Maintenance Rinse, your daily defense against cavities. This mint-flavored mouthwash is designed to protect your smile. Recommended by dentists, it actively prevents oral decay. Maintain a healthy mouth with this trusted formula. Enjoy long-lasting fresh breath after every use. Its alcohol-free formula leaves your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. It works to neutralize harmful acids by balancing your mouth's pH. This creates an environment less favorable for decay. Switch to CariFree Maintenance Rinse for a brighter, healthier smile. Experience the difference it makes in your oral hygiene routine. What we like. This dentist-recommended rinse actively works to neutralize harmful acids in your mouth, preventing decay. It also freshens breath and is alcohol-free. If you're concerned about maintaining an optimal oral pH for long-term dental health and preventing cavities, this is a highly suitable option. What people say. The mouthwash has a refreshing mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. It effectively strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent cavities, providing a good defense against tooth decay. The formula is alcohol-free, making it a gentle option for those with sensitive mouths and avoiding any burning sensation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.